Nongïalam jong ke BJP ula Pynpaw ya Jingshimkhia halal ke Jingshimkhia jong ke kam ya lap election ha Meghalaya patkene kalawan ra ya Jingshimkhia jong ki pai ba ha ka ba ya de patkene na kalieng jong u nong acted ke BJP uba M kharkrang ula kan tho ba ke Nongïalam election lok Sabha poll kalawan ra ya Jingbom sngo tnat
You're talking about India, let's come closer home. In fact, even in Meghalaya for that matter, I've seen the kind of campaigning that has happened in the last MP elections. It is more of calling each other names. It's more of, saying very unpleasant words against one candidate, against the other candidate, one party against the other party. And you have very little time left to tell the public as what are you going to do when you get elected. And the thing is, I think so. Till now, we are really not clear as to any of these political parties, if they win, what are they going to do in the interest of the state? And we have not seen any public debate, for that matter. A particular college had invited candidates for public debate, but many of the candidates did not attend. And I think so. We public or the voters are at a loss. And you yourself, you have been covering all these campaigning and all, and you can see over there, it's all about castrating and talking. One candidate, he's ill talking against the other candidate, one party against the other party, not. But they on their own have not come out with their agenda as what they're going to do. Right. And especially some of them are talking about we are going to get rid of corruption. But no one of them has even spoken a word as to how they're going to get rid of corruption. So these are the things that we as a public, we are at loss. And I think so we deserve a better, better response from the political parties.
So, do you think that there should be some new reforms when it comes to the entire electioneering process so that there is a transparent, peaceful campaigning and the entire election process?
Yeah, of course. In fact, that's what the Election Commission now time and again has been reminding all the political parties to ensure that it is free and fair elections. But on the ground, it's quite different. And with each election, we are seeing things worsening. And we hope that things will improve. And I think so the owners rely on the Election Commission of India to ensure that the elections are free and fair.